So what are the lines for that is, these are the lines. For suppose I'm using a webcam, so you can write webcam. These lines you are supposed to write, okay? For suppose this camera model is C922 Pro Stream webcam. So whatever model you say, when you are buying a cam, you will be knowing the model of that particular camera. So that web camera model you are supposed to mention here. And then resolution also they'll be mentioning. What is the resolution of that? So you can mention, you can set that resolution. And then you can, this preview is nothing but while capturing it will display. While it is capturing, you could able to see the preview. And these pauses are nothing but, for example, see, I want to take a snapshot of some 5 snapshots. In between every snapshot, I require some time. So you can give a pause. Pause for 5 seconds. Pause for 2 seconds. Okay. So like this, how many snapshots you want, you can add, you can take that many snapshots. If you want, even add all those images, because when you are capturing also, you may not get a clear-cut image. So in order to get a clear-cut image, what you can do, you can take 5 snapshots at a time, that all that 5 images can be added so that you can get a good version of image. Okay, so that can be done. And in order to connect external devices, you are supposed to use some hardwares. So that alone, and not only this, if you want to use an Arduino or something, some external devices, if you want to connect for your MATLAB, you are supposed to use some drivers. So how you can access any drivers, with that alone I'll tell, with that I'll wind up. It'll take just 2 minutes, with that I'll wind up. For suppose I want to use some USB cam, what am I supposed to do? Go to home page, and then in the environment corner you could see add-ons. Click on add-ons. In the home page, MATLAB software home page tab, in the right side corner you could see environment. In the corner side you can see add-ons. Click on add-ons. So you could see in the below, get hardware support packages. Get hardware support packages. You can click on get hardware support packages. Yeah, you could see these all is hardware. For suppose you are using Arduino, so you are supposed to use this particular package. So depending on the hardware that you are going to use, all whichever you want, you can access. For suppose I said USB cam. So what I supposed to do? I need to click on USB cam. Today only, just before our programs, our session starts, I installed this webcam. Already inbuilt camera I'm having for my laptop. If I want to use that camera, I supposed to use this particular package. Simply click on double click on that and then install. But another important point, in order to install any hardware package that is available here, you should have a MathWorks account. That is very easy. You can create that in 5 minutes. If you have MathWorks account only, you can able to install any hardware. So this is how you can do your image processing. So this is what students and friends. So with the existing whatever the concepts you know from signal processing and then image processing, if you want to convert that application into an app using app designer, you can do in this way. And if you'd like to connect any external devices, for that you require a hardware packages. How you can do that? You should have a math account for that, and then go to add-ons and then just install those apps. Once it is installed, you can use that. So this is how you can use app designer. If you have any queries, you can ask.